I have is to take that quantum work of, what's the name, Schrodinger, and the positive thinking. Now, I didn't quite get the bridge.
Right, where's the bridge?
Can you do that?
Where's the bridge? It's getting late, but I'll try to give us where the bridge is. The truth is, the bridge is the great mystery. The bridge is the great mystery. A generation that comes after us may have a better glimpse of it than we have. But I think what we can conclude in our generation in the year 2014 is that we are given many tools and agencies with which to move through life. The mind and its causative properties, I believe, are one tool that we have been given to navigate among the forces that we live under. And we live under many forces. We live under all kinds of laws and accidents and physical limitations. Mortality alone tells us that. But I think it's justifiable to see the mind as one tool among others.
What would the others be?
Well, we have the power of logic, we have the power of physicality, we have all kinds of technologies.
Feeling sense, yes.
The feeling sense, some of our technologies are inborn within us. I mean, we sweat, that's a biological technology.
I use that
we
too.
wear a coat, and that's an external one. So we have all these things. We should experiment with, look at, and see the mind as one agency, one tool, one instrument that we possess that can be used to help navigate. And I wish everybody in this room wonderful experiences experimenting with this. See what you find. It's not always going to work one way or another, because we sometimes find ourselves facing catastrophic odds and difficulties. We're fortunate, of course, to live in a country where most of the time, most of our physical needs are taken care of. But an individual who lives on an earthquake fault in Haiti faces a vastly different situation, and that's not their fault.
Right.
They are living under physical facts that are extraordinary and overwhelming.
That's the downside of positive thinking. Oh, you created that reality.
Right, and I don't believe that. I think we live
agree.
under many different forces, but the mind is one force, and that's extraordinary enough. Use it. That's my wish. Experiment with it.
And beam out love. I mean, we are senders and receivers. So if we beam out that positive energy, I think it's going to affect our environment somehow.
I believe that's